Hey tubers, October, beautiful day, and if I'm doing car repairs, I got a broken car. All right, 2002 Camry is what we got today. Biscuit and I are out here by the Bojangles, and yeah, the Tundra's still running. I'm alive and kicking. That's the best can be said for it. I've prepped up the Camry because what the problem is today, okay, and let's get inside and look. The sun shield's back here just to block the sun from blinding me inside. But what I've got here is the headliner. You can see it's just peeling off, flopping off. There's some low spots. I'm not going to try to redo everything because that's crazy. But what I do want to do is try to re-glue this whole back section. So I've taped off the window. Oh my God, I don't know if you can see this. It's in Chinese. But right there it says the Walmart in China is having a sale on those pots, 2 for $9.99. Oh, isn't that great? Now somebody else doesn't like in China the rebel flag. They're protesting. Why in China? Who cares? Okay, so anyways, that's what's going on. I'm going to set it up. I've decided to try this Loctite adhesive because it says it works with foam and fabric, and it's a spray. That's what I need, something I can spray on. So let's do a one-take video. I've already established my camera spot to give me the best possible seeing. And we're going to spray in there and see what we can't tack down. Oh. You always got to shake this crap because that's how it works. Shake well before using. Alright, prep, dry, spray tips, well, long nozzle, 8 to 10 inches, move evenly. Alright. Spray and stick. Let's see what happens. Nope. Nope, I've already seen my first mistake. So I'm not even going to spray anymore. My first mistake is that I should have put some tape around these little plastic pieces here. I taped off the glass, but I forgot to tape off the places where I'm not gluing on the plastic trim. Just for the little bit of overspray that I'll probably make. There we go. Now I feel good about trying again. Pull the fabric down. Looks like for this side, they want you to be left-handed. Giving it a few seconds to get a little tacky. I think this is actually going to work. Now it's not perfect because I'm not rebonding some of these sections in the middle, because I'm not trying to spray up there. No, there's no long nozzle. Let's just keep it simple, stupid. Okay, you're probably now going to see the tape spots that I forgot to do on the other side. It's right here. Just for that little bit of overspray that I seem to be making. Because I'm trying to get some kind of decent spray in their coverage. Alright, now we just gotta wait a minute. And the reason, of course, I'm working in a parking lot today is because I got no friggin' house still. It's, what, September? October. And I'm still not out of the ground. I thought I had gotten going, thought I had a permit. Setbacks, redos. There's going to be a whole long video coming up of this in the future, but until I'm out the other side, I really don't want to say anything. Okay, let's see. So we take this and we pull and peel, press, pull, peel, press, pull, and press. Man, this seems to be going back on fairly nice. Well, I gotta tell you, it's not a perfect fix, but it's uptight, it's glued. If I had an extension nozzle, you could get these bubbles here out and spray them, but you know, for what it is, it's a nice friggin' repair. There's not gonna be anything flapping anymore in your rear view mirror. And so I can recommend this, what is it, Loctite spray adhesive. Works nice for re-gluing the fabric liner. Well, all it is now is a cleanup, and that's just pulling all this paper down and then peeling off the tape. And that doesn't take any real time at all. I use the blue painter's tape because I got a lot of it. Let me show you up close. You can see where I didn't stretch the fabric to try to get it all the way to the edge. And I could have done a better job. But again, it's close enough. Here it looks perfect where you see in the rearview mirror now. You can see though in that corner, I didn't stretch it tight enough. I should have probably pulled harder. But I don't care. I just didn't want it flapping in the rearview mirror anymore where you're looking at it because it's falling down blocking your view. Now it's up solid, it's tight, it looks wrapped around. The wife will love it. Okay. And from the outside, all right, you can still see just a few spots where I didn't pull it tight enough. But overall, it's a done deal.